Hi, my name is Isabelle Proux and I will give you a brief presentation of the new non-programmable thermostat series from Ouellet, Canada. These are the OTH 2750 watts and the OTH 4000 watts non-programmable thermostats. The main benefits of these thermostats are the wing connectors that give you a better grip, the installation with only one tool, the fact that you don't have to make a male-female connection anymore. The installation time is 20% faster than the majority of the competition. The thermostats are designed to control electrical heating systems such as baseboard heaters, convectors, and fan force convectors. The set point range is from 5 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, and the power supply can be from 120, 208, and 240 volts. For now, let's see how easy and fast it is to install your new non-programmable thermostat by Ouellet, Canada. Beware that the thermostat must be installed by a certified electrician according to applicable local and national electrical codes. Don't forget to cut the power to the heating system from the main electrical panel to avoid any risk of shock. The first step is to remove the cover. You need to turn the screw into the unlock position and then you can remove it. Make the connection using the wing connectors. The wires are non-polarized, so you can connect them to any of the two wires. Install the thermostat onto the electrical box using the two mounting screws. The final step is to put the cover back on and to turn the screw a quarter turn into the lock position. Now we'll see how to configure the parameters of your non-programmable thermostat. First, you need to press the backlight button for 5 seconds to access the configuration menu. The first parameter to configure is the temperature format to Celsius or Fahrenheit. Press the backlight button again and you get to the backlight menu. The off mode means the screen will stay lit for 6 seconds after you press any button. If you enable it, the screen will always stay lit. The next parameter to configure is the minimum set point, which is set to 5 degrees Celsius by default. Press the up setting button to raise the set point to the desired temperature. Press the backlight button again to configure the maximum set point, which is set at 30 degrees Celsius by default. Press the down setting button to lower the set point to the desired temperature. You have two choices for setting the cycle length. You can choose the short cycle if you have a baseboard heater or a convector, or the fan cycle if you have a fan force convector. The last parameter to configure is the Keypad Lock. If enabled, the padlock icon will appear on the screen to confirm your settings are locked. The configuration of all parameters is now over. Press the backlight button to exit the configuration menu. I'm trying to adjust the temperature, but I can't change the set point. There's a padlock on the screen. Make sure you set the keypad lock to off in the configuration menu. The set point temperature can be adjusted under or below a certain temperature, and there is no padlock on the screen. In the configuration menu of the minimum and maximum set points, make sure you choose the desired temperatures. The thermostat controls the heater with a fan, and the fan keeps on going on and off. There is no fan icon displayed on the screen. Make sure you chose the fan cycle in the cycle length menu. Display disappears and reappears after a few minutes. The thermal protection of your heater cycles. Check if an object obstructs the air circulation of the heater and move it. Check if there is dust in the air inlet or the hot air outlet and clean them. Make sure the clearance distances are appropriate to prevent the heater from overheating. The display disappears and doesn't reappear after several hours. Verify the breaker in the electrical box. The displayed temperature is wrong. Check if the thermostat is close to an air draft or to a heat source like a heating device, light, or sun. The thermostat is hot. This is normal. When the thermostat is running at full capacity, its housing can reach up to 40 degrees Celsius. If you have any questions on the product, you can call our technical support team. Finally, remember that installing an electronic thermostat allows you to reduce your annual heating bill up to 10%.